Welcome to today's top tip, and I'm Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro. Today we're back in Microsoft Teams and I want to show you a recent addition to Teams that was made in July 2024, towards the end of July. So I am in the body of a message. I'm going to say, here are your docs, here are the documents. If I could only type documents, that would be helpful. And I want to attach a file here. Now, of course, I can go and upload the file to the folder, but I just want to show you what happens when you attach a document, because this is new. So I'll click the plus sign and come up to attach a file. The first thing is it suggests the most recent files that I've been using, things that I've recently opened. I can attach a file from the cloud. I can go find a file that's in other teams and channels, or I can upload from this device. So I'm going to choose upload from this device, and I'm going to pause recording while I go and find the file I want to upload. So here I am in my demo file folder, and I want to add in this document about coffee. I'm going to open that one. And you'll see that not only does it now add the document, it gives me a nice thumbnail of what that document looks like. So let me go and add another one, again from this device. This time I'm going to add in a spreadsheet, a workbook. So let's look at formulas and functions demo. And that will pop in, showing me that it's Excel, and then it will show me one of the little spreadsheets within that workbook. Now, when I post that, it's going to upload them to the files in the channel. There they are, they're all ready to use. But the point is they're now here and easily accessible from the chat in the channel, and I can actually see what those documents are rather than just a couple of names. So that's it from me today. If you liked this tip and found it useful, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And that's it from me today, Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro.